guys. Merry Christmas. We're just about there. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I just wanted to make a little quick video here to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And once the holidays have passed, I'm going to get back on my schedule of doing my live streams every Wednesday and Saturday at 6 p.m. Pacific time. Just kind of been out of schedule lately. Haven't really been energetic and wanting to do them lately. Just busy trying to wrap up some things at work and wrapping presents and everything else that goes along with the holidays. So if you could tell, I'm pretty run down. Just been nonstop. Just nonstop go. Not sleeping really well at night. And the holidays aren't supposed to be stressful. I really enjoy it. Got all my Christmas shopping done. Got everything I think that everybody will like and needs. And, as you can see, we got the tree up. We got our stockings all full. All the stocking stuffers are in. So, we're there. And, it'll be a lot less stressful. Sorry, I'm expecting a final package, hopefully. So, I don't have everything. I'm missing one item. I hope it shows up today. Yeah, we're going to get back on track with the live streams. And hold on a second. My dog's out there barking. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. The dogs are feeling the stress of the holidays as well, I guess. You see my cats back here. They don't have a worry in the world. But yeah, I hope everybody got everything they wanted is going to get everybody everything that they wanted to get them for Christmas, and hopefully you receive what you, if I said that correctly, you receive what you wanted or needed for Christmas. Obviously Christmas isn't about material possessions or any of that stuff, but it's a lot of fun to exchange gifts, and it's a tradition. It still is in our family. Some families are doing the Christmas where they're not handing out gifts, which I understand. If the finances aren't in place for you, but hopefully next year is better. And so I also wanted to mention. So part of this video too, I wanted to let you know is I'm making a New Year's resolution that I'm going to work a lot harder next year. I'm going to make a lot more revenue, a lot more gross revenue, a lot more net revenue. I'm going to work longer days, more hours in the field. I'm thinking I'm going to hire somebody to come in and balance the books every week or two for me so I can take that off my plate and I can focus more on my field work. And I'm also hoping I can have a full-time apprentice to train and turn into a journeyman. I wanted to hire a journeyman, but what I found is with these guys is that they're too stuck in their ways, and they do not want to adapt to the way I like to do things, which some things are right, some things are wrong. I think a lot of the things I do are right, but it's just too hard to retrain somebody who's already got a lot of bad habits. And if somebody's available in the middle of winter, usually it means there's something personally wrong with them, or their work ethic is bad, or something of that nature. So hopefully I can find an apprentice, a kid. I want to find like a farmhand or something, some hardworking kid that wants to come in and take the physical part of the work off of me. I'll do the thinking stuff, which is not as good as it used to be. But you can see my cat back here. He's kind of just looking, wondering what's going on. But hopefully I can find somebody and train them from the ground up the way I want things done, and the way I do my work and the type of work that I do. So hopefully that can happen. That's my New Year's resolution, though, to work a lot harder out in the field, kind of streamline things so I'm not wearing all the hats. It's becoming too much for me as I get older. 10 years ago, it was no problem, but now it's just mentally and physically beating me up. And, I always say it almost on every video, I want to enjoy life, not let this work, this one-man band show that I got going on control me. I want to control it. So life's all about balance. So that's what I'm going to try and do. And yeah, I don't know if you can even tell in this video, but I'm very stressed about just everything. I want everything to blow over. I kind of wish it was like the middle of next month now. and I was rocking and rolling, you know, in 2025. So anyway, I won't ramble any longer. I hope everybody has a great holiday. I hope everybody sees all the loved ones that they want to see, all their family and friends, etc., etc. And I'll see you guys out in the field probably Thursday, which will be the day after Christmas. We'll start doing our daily videos out in the field, and I'm going to try to get more in depth with those too. I was even thinking about maybe getting a chest camera. Problem with that is I think it turns a lot of people off. I'd rather just take my little hidden videos here and there of step-by-step stuff. But let me know what you think about that. All right, guys, I'll quit rambling. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys probably on Thursday.